Warning: if you're over 50, your body is losing muscle while you sleep. And the worst part, you don't even know it. Today, I'm going to show you what to do before bed to stop muscle loss, keep your energy, balance, and even reverse aging. And pay attention, mistake number 3, which I'll reveal later, is silently destroying the health of millions of seniors, maybe even yours. Stay until the end, because this video could completely change your life after 50. And if you want real, unfiltered health content, subscribe to the channel now and join the Ruvian Tribe. What I'm about to tell you may sound shocking, but if you're over 50, there's something happening in your body right now, and you don't even notice it. Every night you go to sleep without doing this, your body is breaking down your own muscle, literally. A silent process called sarcopenia starts speeding up, and your body starts burning muscle mass as if it were fat. Sounds extreme? It's not. After 50, you lose up to 1% of your muscle per year, just by being alive. That means more leg pain, struggling to climb stairs, poor balance and higher risk of falling, and yes, less independence. And the scariest part? This all starts before you feel a single symptom. But don't worry, because I'm about to show you exactly what to do before sleeping to stop this process tonight. And the best part? It's simple, quick, and doable, even if you're 70, 80, or 90 years old. Now that you know your body is losing muscle every night, let me show you something simple you can do before bed to stop it immediately. It's not an expensive supplement. It's not a crazy workout. It's this. Eat the right protein at the right time. Studies show that consuming 20 to 40 grams of protein before bed, like plain Greek yogurt, 2 boiled eggs, or a plant-based protein shake, activates your muscles while you sleep. While you're asleep, your body enters repair mode. And if it has the right fuel, protein, it rebuilds muscle instead of breaking it down. Imagine this. You sleep 8 hours equals 8 hours of muscle regeneration. But only if you give your body the building blocks, and those blocks come from protein. Most people do everything right during the day, but they skip this step at night and silently lose muscle. Don't make that mistake. Start today, and your body will thank you in 5, 10, even 15 years. But hold on. In the next segment, I'll show you another essential step for keeping your muscles strong, and almost nobody talks about it. Now that you know what to eat before bed, let me show you step 2, something almost nobody does, but it makes a huge difference. And no, you don't need a gym. Just do this. 5 minutes of light movement before bed. I know it sounds small, but the impact is huge. Because when you move, even with something simple like sitting and standing from a chair 10 times, heel raises, or walking around your house for 3 minutes, you're activating your nervous system and sending a clear signal to your body. These muscles matter. Keep them alive. And guess what? The body doesn't break them down during sleep. It reinforces them instead. Even better, this light movement boosts circulation, reduces tension, and improves your sleep. Yes, you'll sleep better, wake up with more energy, and start reversing muscle loss. Don't underestimate the power of 5 minutes. It's free, it's easy, and it can literally add years to your independence. But in the next segment, we're going to talk about a hidden mistake that could be sabotaging everything, even if you're eating right and staying active. Now pay very close attention, because this is the sneakiest mistake, and most people fall for it without knowing. Even if you eat protein, even if you move your body, this mistake could cancel out all your effort. I'm talking about cutting out too much salt and healthy fats. We live in a fear-based health culture. Don't eat salt. Run from fat. Everything must be low-fat or light. And the result? People in their 60s, 70s, and 80s walking around weak, dehydrated, and defenseless. Your body needs natural sodium to balance electrolytes, support muscle contractions, and even help your brain function. And it needs healthy fats, like olive oil, avocado, eggs, and nuts, to produce essential hormones that protect your muscles. If you cut it all out, you're telling your body you can shut down the muscles, and your body listens. So don't be afraid to add sea salt, pure olive oil, and natural fats to your diet in moderation. Because sometimes Obsessing over being healthy is what's hurting you the most. But don't worry. In the next segment, I'll reveal a hormonal secret that affects everyone over 50 and how to naturally reverse it. Even if you eat well, exercise, and sleep, there's still something that could be slowing your progress and making you lose muscle every day. It's called hormonal decline. After 50, men and women experience a sharp drop in testosterone, DHEA, and growth hormone. That means weaker muscles, less energy, more belly fat, and even less motivation. But here's the good news. There are natural ways to reverse that drop. No chemicals, no artificial hormones. Here are 4 simple steps you can do today. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night, quality sleep. Avoid blue light 1 hour before bed. Swap your phone for a good book. Take natural magnesium at night through supplements or foods like almonds or bananas. Take deep breaths. Do 3 minutes of slow breathing or meditation before bed. These simple habits help your body produce restorative hormones while you sleep, speeding up muscle preservation. Bonus: studies show that laughing, spending time in nature, and maintaining strong social relationships also boost hormones like oxytocin and testosterone. In other words, your body wants to recover. You just have to give it the right conditions. And in the next segment, I'll put everything together in a practical plan you can start tonight, even if you're 60, 70, or 80 years old. Now that you've seen it all, here's exactly what you should do tonight to protect your muscles, energy, and freedom. Eat natural protein before bed. Move your body for 5 minutes, even if it's light. Avoid the mistake of cutting salt and healthy fats. And support your hormones with simple habits like deep sleep, magnesium, and slow breathing. This might seem simple, but it's the small things done daily that keep your body young, even at 60, 70, or 80. And now, let me ask you something. Do you really want to keep losing muscle and energy in silence? Or do you want to be part of a community that's reversing aging with knowledge, courage, and real habits? If yes, then subscribe to Ruvian now. Here you'll find science-backed videos, practical tips, and a lifestyle that challenges everything we've been told about health. And if this video helped you, leave a like, not just to support the channel, but to tell YouTube, this content changes lives. Show it to more people. We're building a tribe, and soon we'll be thousands, and you'll be able to say, I was here from the start.